everyone, today we are going to make something new from Lego. We are going to make a Lego robot from Lego Classic Light and Bricks. So first we'll take these two slides for legs. We will stick them from the up like this. Then we take this block, which is cylinder square, but in one side a hole. The hole will face the right side. Then we'll take the inside holes from this. Then to make the hands, we will take one magenta cone shape, and we'll take its base here on the right leg like this. And now for the left hand we have a hole. So we are going to take one blue connector, put it on this side like this and this. And now we are going to attach this over here. Now our legs and hands are done. Now it's time for the chest. We will take another red and another red one, another skin one. But this time we will not make other hands. This time the yellow one, which has a hole inside, and the red one, which has a connector hole inside, we will connect these two from here and in opposite. Then we will take a one dot, put it on the top to make our head, and then we'll take this block, small block, white block, on the one connector, and for this is the neck. And now for the final stage, the head, we'll take one small one step slanting line like this. Now we are going to attach it a bow. Ta-da! Please subscribe this channel, and if you are new, then press the bell icon for more videos. Bye.